Brightlink's 3x3 large-scale video walls are an ideal way to create a billboard-size LCD display to show off your 4K video content and grab the attention of any viewer. Using our aluminum mounting system, these can be installed on almost any wall type while ensuring that the displays are attached precisely and aligned. Starting from the bottom, the displays are installed one row at a time, using our universal brackets to hook onto the aluminum mounting bars. These brackets use set screws to adjust the level of your displays. You will continue installing and adjusting the rest of the rows, and at the same time testing your video signal to ensure you have a solid connection on each display. The video wall controllers are typically installed very close to the displays, allowing you to use shorter HDMI cables for better connections. The finished product is an eye-catching crystal clear video wall, which is a perfect fit for your showroom, conference center, sports bar, car dealership, home theater, and more. Thank you for watching our video. If you'd like to find out more information about our products, please visit our website at brightlinkav.com, or you can email us at support@brightlinkav.com.